To enable or disable a WAN port connection on the Cradlepoint, you'll first need to connect an Ethernet cable between your computer and the RDK LAN port. Once a connection is established, just open up your favorite web browser, browse out to 192.168.0.1 and hit enter. It should come to the screen that I've got displayed here. You'll log in with the username and password of your Cradlepoint. Typically, the Cradlepoint username and password is admin for username and the last 6 digits of the MAC address for the password. Once logged in, you'll see this screen right here. Scroll down to Connection Manager and click on Devices. And over here, you'll see the list of modems. So you've got LTE modems for SIM card 1 and 2, and then you also have Ethernet down here at the bottom. Whichever WAN port you would like to disable, just simply uncheck the box. If you would like to disable the SIM card, just simply uncheck the box, wait for it to reconfigure, and now that WAN port is disabled. Should see it fail over to whatever the next technology is available. In this case, I have dual SIMs, so it will pick up on the second SIM, but if I would like to push that connection to my Ethernet WAN port down here at the bottom, I can simply disable my second SIM as well, wait for that to update, and now my Ethernet will become the primary source of internet connectivity. To re-enable a WAN port that is disconnected or disabled, I can simply come into the same screen here and then re-enable it by checking the box. And now the priority from top to bottom will re-establish connectivity to that particular WAN port connection.